Okay, so we are going to try to do an application problem of area of a triangle. So, application problem is a very fancy way of saying word problem. Um, so we have a triangular lot that has sides of lengths 550 feet, 630 feet, and 720 feet. Find the value of the lot at $3,000 per acre, where 1 acre equals 43,560 feet squared. So first, okay, we have to figure out how we're going to find the area. Can we use base times height divided by 2? Can we use 1/2 AB sine of C? Or can we use Heron's formula? Then we need to convert the area into acres. Okay, because I've noticed that our units are given in feet, so when we find the area, it's going to be in feet squared, and we're given a cost per acre. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to find the cost per acre. If 1 acre costs $3,000. Okay? All right. So this is a similar process to like finding how many cans of paint you need to paint a room or a house. So it's kind of a similar problem. So it's just a different kind of scenario. Okay, so the first question, how we're going to find area. I noticed that we are given three sides and no angles. So that leads me to believe we're going to use Heron's formula. Okay. The reason I'm not going for base times height divided by 2 or 1/2 B AB sine of C is because I don't know anything about angles. Okay. And I have this formula that uses all three sides, so, and I need the area. I really don't need the angles. So let's go find it. So 550, 630, and 720. Let's write that down. Okay, so first thing I need to do is I need to find the semi-perimeter. And remember, the semi-perimeter is basically the perimeter divided by 2. So we're going to take 550 plus 630 plus 720 divided by 2. We are going to get 1900 divided by 2, which is 950. Okay, now I'm going to use Heron's formula to find the area. So remember semi-perimeter, and semi-perimeter minus side A, semi-perimeter minus side B, semi-perimeter minus side C. And then we take the square root. Okay, so let's write all that down. Now, depending on your comfort level with your calculator, what kind of calculator you have, you could do some scratch work. So 950. Whoops. So that would be 400 if I do that subtraction. That would be 320. And that would be 230 if I were going to do this subtraction. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my calculator to multiply all of that and take the square root. That's a big number. Okay, so now I get to take the square root of that. Now, yeah, so you want a good scientific calculator to do this problem. Okay, so that's what I get. So I get 167,236.3597 feet squared. Now remember, I want to figure out how many acres this is. So if I look back up on the problem, 1 acre is equal to 43,560 feet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some unit conversion. I'm going to show you the way that I was taught. Some of you are probably going to be like, just divide it, which is right. So feet squared. Now the unit that you want to switch to should be on the top. The unit that you want to change from, so we want to change from square feet, should be on the bottom because you actually want those to cancel out. So this becomes 3.834 acres with rounding. Okay. All right. At about $3,000, that's going to cost me $11,520. Okay, so that's how you would use area in the application process. Again, this problem comes in many disguises. A classic one is how many cans of paint do you need to buy, cost per acre, things like that. Okay, so I hope this helped, and I'll talk to you later.